with a green screen, you can be anywhere. You can be at the North Pole, breezy. You could be in Drive, starring alongside Ryan Gosling.
Reseda Boulevard.
You could be at the office. Work, busy man. Gotta make the bacon. You can even clone yourself. You could be in Blade Runner 2040 with starring Ryan Gosling. You could travel through Stargate. You could be in hell. You could be in hell. This is hell. This is hell. Run! Or you can even be a cowboy. You can even go to my channel and subscribe. This isn't begging, it's just an observation of what you can do with greens. You could be Ryan Gosling.